get the lid. Good morning, everybody. Coach Connie here, and I just got done with my workout, and I went to have some cereal and forgot I needed to make some of my cereal. So if you don't know, I am Coach Connie with Xtreme-Measures.com, and that's with an Xtreme-measures.com. I just got done working out, so anyway, bear with me. But I'm a board certified health coach, and I help people through food and fitness get in amazing shape and their best feeling ever. So today I'm going to make Paleo cereal. I realized I hadn't had it, and I'm hungry for it this morning after my workout, and I decided to just go live impromptu, and you can join me as I make my Paleo cereal. So Paleo cereals with no grain, it's all seeds and nuts, and then I kind of throw whatever I have in there just to make it even amp it up a little more. So what I do is I have a container of sunflower seeds, and I put everything in the food processor to make it easy. So I use my little Shakeology cups. I'll put 1 serving of sunflower seeds. I'm going to use my walnuts, or my, let me get a cup for this. This is a mixture. Actually, there's pecans in here and walnuts, so it's a mixture of nuts. I'm going to put, this helps me know how much my portion is when I make my cereal. But this is a Paleo grain-free cereal, sunflower seeds, organic. And I have the bigger ones. These are the smaller ones. Just gonna put a few in. Whoops. Okay. What else do I have? Sesame seeds. I'll put some sesame seeds in. These don't really need to be mixed up, but I'm gonna put them in just to get a nice mixture on my Paleo cereal. And this is hemp seeds, so all the protein in hemp seeds. I'm actually putting 2 teaspoons in. And again, this doesn't need to be mixed up, but I'm putting it in just to get a good overall mixture of the cereal. And this is my chia seeds. And this is going to be a delicious cereal. And this is some medicinal mushroom. I dried and I ground. I first freeze the mushroom in my freezer so it gets hard. And then I bring it out of the freezer and I grind it into my NutriBullet that I have over here. And then I store it, and the mushroom has a lot of medicinal powers in it to help amp things up. So I'm going to put some of this in. Okay. We're also going to put some coconut in. This is sugar-free organic coconut unsweetened. And see how I do the label in my containers? I don't do it for everything, but I do it for a lot of things. So I'm gonna put some coconut in. Again, you know, this may not need to be ground up, but it helps mix it up. So that's why I'm doing that. I have something else I need to put in that I'm missing, and that is 2 more things. This is a bee pollen, a ground bee pollen, if you can believe that I found, that I'm going to put in to give me a little more amped up goodness. And then some turmeric. I'm going to put some turmeric in. Okay. We'll put a little turmeric in, and this is golden milk turmeric. Okay. And now let me get to my spice cabinet. what am I looking for? I'm looking for some cinnamon. I'm going to put a little cinnamon in. And again, this is my Paleo cereal. Okay. Now what we do is we just pulse it. So where did my lid go? What did I do with my lid? Oh, here it is. Now we got everything in the food. This couldn't be easier to throw everything in and then just pulse it and make a cereal. And you just kind of eyeball it for how grainy you want it to be. I like it to be a little more mixed. Okay. That's actually perfect for me. And Steve, let me add Steve. Now I get a glass container and I'll store all this in a glass container, which, maybe I need more glass containers. I have a little one. It might fit, might not fit in this. I don't know. We'll see. And this will be cereal for the whole week for Steve and I. I want to show it to you. And let me show you how I'm going to serve it to myself. I got this nice little bowl. I'm really hungry right now. I just got done working out. And 1, 2, 3. I'm using 3 teaspoons. And I'm going to chop up my an apple really small and put in here, and then I'll mix it all up. But wow, the flavors in here are amazing. I'm going to put raisins and an apple in here, and it's all done. So there you have it. Paleo cereal. It's grain-free. It's delicious. I made up a big batch for the whole week. It's amped up with turmeric, sunflower seeds, walnuts, almonds, pecans, chia seeds, hemp seeds, coconut. I will add a little more coconut to the top of my own personal cereal, like that. And again, I'll add the chopped apples, and I'll put some raisins in here. And that's my Paleo cereal for the morning, so keeping me grain-free. I have protein, extra protein in there. And after I work out, it really helps to just fill me up, make me feel good. And I will have a cup of coffee. So here's wishing you a great day. And again, this is Coach Connie with Xtreme-Measures.com, and that's with an X, Xtreme-Measures.com. And enjoy your weekend, everybody. Bye-bye.